Okay, let's look at the first one. Well, if we've got log 36 to base x equals 2 and we want to solve for x, the thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make that base become a base on the other side. Remove the log. Remember, 36 is plus minus 6, but we cannot have x being equal to negative 6 simply because that base can't be negative. Therefore, our answer is x is equal to 6. Let's look at this one, which is a little bit more tricky. Here's a hard one. We've got number b here. It says 2 to the x multiplied by 7 to the x is the log of 14, 3 decimals. Well, this is a bit of a trick. I can make this 2 multiplied by 7 to the x is the log of 14. Now we've got 14 to the x is the log of 14. So in other words, log of 14 is the same as 14 to the x. Now that's the base. Bring it underneath. So what we can do there is we can say, okay, fine. Remember, we treat this as one number, and we introduce now a log to base 14 of this number here, which is the log of 14. Careful with that. Is equal to x. Remember, that's one number. You could have worked it out, and that 14 goes underneath, and we introduce a log again. Okay, so there we go. And then if you work that out exactly as is in the calculator, your x should come to 0.052. Okay, be very careful. You're introducing a log here, and that's important because remember, you can have 3 to the x is equal to 9, or whatever. Remember, you introduce the log. Okay, okay, so you're going to introduce that log somehow. And how do we do it? Well, if we just turn that around and we get 9 is equal to 3 to the x, we introduce the log to base 3 is x. Okay, and likewise with this one, just be very careful. What we did here is we've got 14 to the x, and we keep that as one number. Okay, one number, and we introduce a new log. Okay, well guys, I hope that helped a lot.